Welcome to our exploration of ENCY's 5-axis machining capabilities. Today I'll walk you through how ENCY handles complex 5-axis machining operations and what makes this solution different from other CAD/CAM systems on the market. ENCY's 5-axis machining solution provides true machine-aware programming, comprehensive kinematic support, advanced tool control features, holder collision detection, and singularity avoidance for efficient, safe, and precise multi-axis manufacturing. The system offers comprehensive support for all 5-axis kinematic configurations, with advanced features like TCPM TWP support, real-time holder collision detection, and singularity avoidance, all built on their independent algorithms for maximum precision and manufacturing efficiency. ENCY's proprietary impeller machining module offers specialized multi-axis strategies and intelligent toolpaths designed specifically for complex impeller manufacturing, featuring advanced collision avoidance and dynamic tool orientation that ensures precision results across aerospace and energy industries. ENCY's machine-aware toolpath calculation system generates paths based on actual machine movements rather than just theoretical tool trajectories, accounting for machine limitations, tool holder geometry, workpiece state, and fixture positions to prevent collisions and ensure safe operation. ENCY's G-code-based simulation provides final verification by replicating the CNC machine's actual behavior based on post-processed ENCY code, offering comprehensive collision detection, material removal visualization, and full machine simulation to prevent costly errors before physical machining begins. ENCY offers dual-engine material removal simulation that combines ultra-fast voxel simulation for real-time feedback with ultra-precise solid simulation for high-quality surface modeling, providing comprehensive machine kinematics simulation with advanced detection for collisions, axis limits, and gauge control to prevent costly manufacturing errors. ENCY combines a straightforward inbuilt design module for simple geometry creation with extensive third-party CAD integration, supporting major platforms like SolidWorks, Solid Edge, and Rhinoceros, along with standard file formats including STEP, IGEs, Parasolid, DXF, and STL for seamless workflow continuity. Try ENCY for free, 30 days of full access.